This week for our brand, we are building a mood board, the vibe for vibes.love. So we just went to Pinterest and Amber and I just picked a bunch of things that made us feel like vibes-ish. Products, colors, nature scenes, anything. Doesn't matter. Just anything that made us feel good. So if you haven't already done that, do that for your product or your brand. Just, think about all the colors, the feelings, emotions that you want to stir up. So now we're going through all the Pinterests and just kind of exporting them out for Canva so we can put them all together. Amber's putting a logo in there. I think it's done. What do you think the purpose of a mood board is for?
Since there's two of us, we can be on the same page in terms of what we're creating when we're creating content or when we're adding things to a website or putting stuff on products. It'll kind of all be vibed together.
Oh, unification across the nation. All right, so another reason to do this, why does your brand exist? Amber and I are doing the mood board, and right here, the winner, picking, we were trying to figure out what do we write at the top up here, and we had a piece of paper that told us, so that's what you can do too. Vibes.love, we raise people's consciousness with humor, honesty, and innovation in order to create a world of love. Boom, sounds so cool. That's what we doing. So now I'm going through, and so I'm gonna find photos to help put into this so we can do it twice as fast. Amber's mad at me because I didn't understand what she needed.
It's not why I'm mad.
Why is she mad?
Because
Tell us.
not mad, I'm just annoyed.
My poor communication. Something.
Because I feel like we're just doing busy work right now and we're not making distinct decisions about stuff. It's just like, let's just upload stuff and let's just
That's me.
just upload stuff and let's just try things. It's like, let's just focus on what needs to happen on each of these pages and just put what needs to go in there instead of
Just know what's supposed to go in there before you...
not even know, just make the decision. I don't understand.
Amber.
You feel like it's more abstract
Yeah.
than I think it is.
Yes.
It's not. It's not that abstract. This is the layout. Put the information of what our brand looks like in there. I don't understand. And you won't explain to me why it's confusing.
I'm confused. When you're making your style guide, mood board, anything like that, you can just make it up. Just make up stuff.
It can change later.
Yeah, it can change later. It can always change.
Know that it can
I thought Amber was like wanting me to make like a distinct decision for the rest of time, how we're gonna do all these different things, but I don't know.
It's always gonna evolve.
Yeah, it's always gonna be shifting. It's always gonna be morphing. So just make it up for now, and then we can always come back and change it over time.
Setting a baseline.
Yeah, setting a baseline. Yes. Set that baseline.
So that we can move
forward. This will help whenever.
On the same page.
Yeah, this will help for when you're hiring new people, when you're just talking to your team, brand consistency, like Amber's saying. So just put something down that feels right to you. That's all you gotta do first. Right, Amber? Are you happier now?
Working on it.
She's working on it. We're gonna elevate our vibes. Amber, we're gonna get your vibes so fucking high, and my vibes so high, naturally, that we won't even know what to do with ourselves.